friends, soulmates. We are planning to conduct a satsanga in Bangalore. So, if you are interested to give Srividya to people, your relatives and friends, or neighbors, you can bring here. You can see so many people are suffering by so many different problems in Annamaya to Anandamaya, Annamaya to Vijnanamaya. So, through our Panchakosha shudhi class, they can understand their problem, where is it is residing, the problem, where is it is sustaining the problem, and they can correct. So, a scientific way we can explain that, we can convince them, then they can simply clear their problems. So, then they are full of life, they will be, they have a, those people have a gratitude to you, because you brought here to Srividya. So, it is our, it is a very good beneficial thing. Example, means if we will give Devi will flow more through we people. If you want to get Devi more and more, you just give Devi to more and more people. Not in the form of advice or something. It is dangerous. The ego will come, trigger, the connection with the Devi will cut. If there is an ego, Devi will not come. So, because if we people start to advise people, naturally some ego will come. I know something about Devi. Then it will cut. So it is very, very dangerous. I am not talking like that. Just connect with Devi through our videos and satsangas, and send the videos and bring to satsangas, then they can connect with Devi more and more. Then for them, for those people, Devi will flow through you, because Devi ended to them through your brain. So that channel will be developed. That it is a small stream. Energy is moving always like water and air, and how the prana is moving. If you can see the water, you can understand. This way, the prana is moving in water. So we can understand how it is moving. A tree is looking like that because the prana is moving like that. Always. The same like a river is flowing like that, like a tree. So, the prana is moving. If we will do the connection with the people naturally, somehow they can flow through you. Then more and more it will come through you. Who will learn more? A teacher or student? In a school? A teacher. So, naturally that connection will maintain your connection with the Devi. The main problem in spirituality, people are searching always how we can maintain the connection with the Devi. Simply. The ego will come and cut the connection with the Devi. Most of the time it is happening like that. We will lose the connection with the Devi. Our sadhana will be mechanical. How to connect with the Devi? How we can change our brain neurotransmitters of love with the Devi. Then only the negative energies cannot possess. The things will happen, what you want. The law of attraction will happen. What is the science behind the law of attraction? So, we can give all kind of support those who are interested to know about Devi. As a part of that, we can, along with that, we can start an organization. We are planning for that, to spread Devi's information or Devi's Srividya system to spread all over the world. We are planning to bring together those who are interested to work voluntarily, to conduct satsangas in their places. It is very, very effective. It is not some kind of financial benefit or something. No, it is not like that. It should be voluntary, because the benefit is indirectly, it will be huge. Means our brain chemicals will be positive, then we can develop in our career. If they will come, then the money will come, the opportunities will come. That way, new opportunities will come. Then naturally the money will increase. Everything will get indirectly, not directly. Voluntary work. Example, I am not looking at money. The money is chasing me because of Devi. I am connected to Devi and work. I am doing my work continuously to give people directly. Without freely, I am talking the secret of the sadhanas in online. The intention is clear. People have to make their life easy. Then naturally the money is coming. I am not looking there. So same way, because in the starting time there was no money, but I was giving the things, because it is not for money actually. To give the right information about Srividya Devi to people, make their life easier. So then naturally Devi will flow. Devi started to flow through me. The same way everybody can do. To give Devi, naturally it will come. So we can plan and we can work together to conduct satsangas all over the world. So next satsangas we are planning in the coming July. So the Bangalore program in 29th and 30th. So the detailed message will send along with this. So bring everybody. The early coming 50 seats are available. So please give the opportunity to everybody, those who are suffering by the spiritual confusion or material confusion. Srimad